Hello guys, I am back with another video, and you see um I am here playing Subway Surfers, and if you see very closely, there is a new update. And there's this box right here, this chest token box. It gives you any token. Like that spray can. If you know that Jack, let me show you myself. So let me get this bot right here. I'll get my thing later. And I deleted it. Alright, so here. There. So you see that right there, you cannot do it unless you unlock those boxes. And I'm definitely gonna unlock a whole bunch of boxes. I probably get these guys, because in the boxes those guys come in. So I'm gonna come in with the new character. See her name as her character, and they did a desert, so I'm gonna unlock that character as well. So let me go to the new boards. This is one of the new boards. So you guys have the two boards, the two main boards. Let me see if there's other one. Alright, these are the two main boards. I'm basically gonna use this one more. And then I'm gonna use the girl character because she's new. Let me see which one looks better. I'm just gonna use the other version. Alright, so you ready? Oh snap. So you guys ready to rumble? Alright. Alright. Alright, so I'm ready to go. So now let's get up and go. Right now I'm gonna kill myself because I gotta see something first. Where's it at? I don't even know where's it at. I forgot what I was looking for. Oh, it's right here, yeah. Right here, isn't it? Yeah, right here. Before I start this, I gotta get some of this. Get some of that. Get some of that. Yeah, alright. Let me get some of these right here. Alright, that will do fine. Let me get more boards. So you ready, guys? I'm ready and rock and rolling. I'm gonna sign off with Facebook. It's just not right now because I don't want you to go on my Facebook account, get all my account stuff, and if I have any brothers or sisters, don't want to tell you guys any of all that, my personal information, so that's why, I don't show you my Facebook account. And if you only have Facebook because, I'm sucking. So you guys, only got Facebook, so alright, so if you guys only got Facebook for games, use mostly a lot of games say have Facebook or Instagram to get this much coins, and I'll be on top of everybody to get coins and stuff. Oh yeah. That's cool. It's also like a flying carpet. Oh. I'm good. Alright, so you guys, that's the new character. Alright, before I do something else, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play with the boy now. And go on the snake board. After I die, you guys, I'm gonna stop playing. Well, I'm gonna do what I did to girl. If I die, I'm gonna use the keys. After I use the keys, Well, it's nothing special about the snake. I'm only jumping high because I got the thing. You see, if I have the snake, I can't jump high. I just skip that so I can show you how wide. It's like a regular little stick. Oh, you guys. Well, you guys, see you guys later in my next video. Bye, guys. And if you want to see my face, look it. I'm in the dark. I'm on my bed. Bye, you guys. See you in the next video.